Good morning, all of you. I'm Mrs. Rushali Chaudhary, lecturer, Praveen Patil, Polytechnic. We are going to learn basic science, chemistry practicals today. Experiment number 15. What is the experiment number 15? That is to determine flash and fire point by the Abel's closed cup apparatus. What is the flash point? A temperature at which it gives a flame for the less than 5 seconds. It is called as a flash point. Before starting experiment, did you remember experiment number 14? In that we are using the open cup apparatus, and here we are using a closed cup apparatus. This apparatus is used for the highly volatile liquids, so which is the lubricating oils or the fuels which easily catches a fire at low temperature. For that we are using a closed cup apparatus for the safety purpose. Lubricating oil used for the reduce the friction. So when there is a friction, temperature is going to increases. So if the lubricating oil is having lower flash point or the fire point, it is going to catch fire during the transport as well as the uses. Therefore we are going to check out how the exact flash point is there, and accordingly we will find out the working temperature of the oil. This help us to detect the highly volatile constituent of oil. It also ensures safety of and minimum temperature at which fuels we are going to use. In a Abel's closed cup apparatus, we are using for the oils which is having a flash point below 49 degrees Celsius. Relevant course outcome, that is EF course outcome, is comply by this experiment. Practical learning outcome. It determines the flash point of given lubricating oil using the Abel closed cup apparatus. Abel closed cup apparatus used for the oils which is having flash point below 49 degree Celsius, while open cup apparatus that is used for the oils which is having more than 49 degree Celsius flash point. What is the theoretical background? Why we are learning this? As good lubricating oil should not volatile under high working temperature. If it easily volatile, then it is going to form vapors, and it is going to catch a fire, that is a hazardous. The flash point of an oil is the minimum temperature at which oil gives a sufficient vapor to ignite momentarily when a flame of standard direction brought near the surface of a oil for a prescribed rate in an apparatus that is visible. We are going to perform experiments such as experiment number 14 only. Here also we are using the heater as well as the thermometer for increasing temperature and maintaining the temperature. This is more precious because we cannot take temperature more than 49 degrees Celsius, and in this apparatus we are using highly volatile samples, so we have to perform this experiment very well, very carefully. So in this we are using the heater which is maintaining the temperature, increases temperature, ignition also there to check out it is going to catch fire or not, oil cup is there, and a thermometer. Resources are Abel's apparatus, thermometer, and oil sample. This is the closed cup apparatus. Why we are using called it closed cup? Because as it is closed cup and having a lower flash point, easily it evaporate even at a room temperature. Therefore we are closing the lid of this apparatus and we are going to carry out the experiment. Experiment setup and working is same as experiment number 14, but heating rate is very low. In a 14 experiment, we are heating by 55 degrees Celsius per minute. Here we are going to increase the temperature by only 1 degree Celsius. And during that, we are going to stir the oil sample to maintain the uniformity of the temperature. As every point degree temperature increases, we are opening the lid, we are opening the sliding shutter, introducing the test flame over the oil surface, and check out as given oil is giving flash or not. And we are going to record minimum temperature at which flash appears at the surface of lubricating oil. What is meaning of the flash? It is a spark. घर पे आप लाइटर यूज करते हो गैस ऑन करने के लिए, देन इट इज़ अ वेरी 1 second flame is there, that is called as a flash. But if we use matchstick for the lighting up, it is giving you continuous flame. Okay, flash means which is obtained by the lighter only for less than 1 second or the 2 second, that is called as a flash. Mobile cameras giving you flash, that is only for 1-2 seconds, while matchstick or the wooden piece, that is giving you the continuous flame, that is called as a flame. Here we are going to note down temperature at which given oil is gives you flash. So result we are going to maintain that given lubricating oil gives no flash up to particular temperature, and it gives a flash up to after that temperature. Interpretation is going to determine at what temperature we can use this oil, working temperature of oil. Here we already performed this experiment. Here at 39 degree no flash, 41 degree no flash, 43 degree no flash, 44 degree no flash, but at 45 degree we will observe the flash. So we can say that given lubricating oil gives no flash up to 43 or 44 degree, but it gives the flash at 45 degree Celsius. So working temperature is 43 or the 44 degree Celsius. We are going to write precautions, limitations and significance and name the instrument used for it in your manual question answer. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any query, you will ask me during the practical session. Thank you so much.